see.
Reprogram, recharge, rest, reprogram, reload, reset, reprogram.
This drink is good for the skin. It's good for the body, period, but it's also good for the skin. Like, celery is known throughout history to reduce inflammation. Actually, I read a story a long time ago about a prince, some European prince, who was suffering from acne, and so what they did was they made him celery juice, like they pounded it up or whatever, and that's what they would give him, and it cured his acne.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Reprogram, recharge, rest, reprogram, reload, reset, reprogram.
So I'm also juicing this because to help take down my inflammation. It's good for the body. It's so nutritious. The celery and cucumbers and apples and all that, and I put some lemon in it, some kale. But celery is good for inflammation, and I have like a weird bump here that is probably from my hijab. Like I have a hijab that I wore a few times in the week without washing it. So ladies, you just have to know, you have to wash your hijab regularly. It's good to wash it like every single time, or like at least every 2 times that you wear it, because you gotta understand it's rubbing on your makeup, it's rubbing on the oil from your skin, and then when you put it right back on, then you're transferring that old oil and dust and makeup right back onto your skin, and then it can give you bumps. If you follow the path, you'll realize that's your hijab. So you also have to have like really good have to have good, what's it called again?
Practices.
Yeah, hygiene. Yeah, hijab hygiene. Even like we may not notice that this is close to our face and our skin is sensitive. It doesn't make you dirty or anything.
Reprogram, reload, reset, reprogram, reboot, reset, reprogram.
I want us to be like, yeah, I'm human actually. I'm not.
You learn that though.
Yeah, and you're never like unworthy of God's love.
Yes.